When you get out into the bush where we're going, they're so far removed from the rest of civilization. You have supply chain issues or you have storms, you can lose your heat source and then you can be in a whole world of hurt. We've got to stay warm or we die. Coming from Canada, I'm used to the cold. But it is a different kind of world out here. As a general contractor, I spent my whole life trying to become proficient in a variety of different trades. I ended up making videos and helping people out that way. Today I'm going to teach you guys how to paint like a pro.
And if you can build a shed, remember, you can build a house.
Good morning.
Morning.
You must be Jeff.
Yes, sir.
Welcome to the Willow Ranch. Moose rib. You can do it. Well, Community Resources supports people that experience developmental disabilities. We take care of 4 gentlemen here.
I'm Thomas. I'm Brian. I'm Jacob. I'm Carly.
They are Native Alaskan, and they work here. They do construction, carpentry, feed and water the animals. They hunt, fish, trap, ride snow machines.
You have no source of heat in your bedroom.
No, you gotta leave the doors open.
Okay, not our favorite way to live. Wow, so the earthquake took out your heating system.
Yes.
This is a completely unconditioned space. There's no insulation.
These windows, they freeze in the bottom.
Wow. We got a 2,000 square foot home in an Alaskan climate. What kind of heating system do you recommend we install?
I think a 4-ton Midea cold climate model. And with Midea, the day of Grandpa's heat pump is over. Through the advancements and the innovation and the technology of the compressor, we're able to, through enhanced vapor injection, pull far more heat from the outside space and move it inside.
Ready for this?
Yes.
We're gonna make this house nice and warm.
Let's do this.
We'll kick on the heat, see how our new system works. Fantastic. You have new ductwork coming through the floor. Every bedroom's gonna have its own heat source now.
Oh, nice.
No more do you have to rely on the old unit pushing heat into your bedroom from across the room.
Oh, wow.
And that way you can be in charge of your own heat.
Yes, yes. I love my heat.
Okay?
I love it. No more frozen
Exactly.
windows.
It's getting kind of comfortable here already.
Yeah. Me too.
All right, what do you think? We sit down on the couch and relax. And this heat pump can perform in this environment. It's going to be a game changer for a lot of people relying on fossil fuels.